So, good morning, everybody. It's your host, Oludunke Angela Olua. So, I'm sorry I was not able to teach yesterday. I had so truth. And if I had come to teach, nobody will hear what I was saying because my neck was. So, we stopped at word problems involving fractions. We'll be continuing word problems involving fractions before we move to the other basic operations, that's multiplication and division. So, let's start. I gave examples last class, so I'll be giving more examples this class. Now, the first question is a fruit grower, a fruit grower uses 1/3 of his land. I'm not going to be writing questions this time around. A fruit grower used to grow fruit. He uses 1/3 of his land for bananas. 1/3 of his land. So bananas is what? 1/3. Then 3/8 for pineapples. Pineapples is what? 3/8. Then what fraction? Okay, mangoes is 1/6. Then the remainder for oranges. Oranges is the remainder. What fraction of the land does he use for oranges? Now I told you. Now since the remainder, you say the total land. The total land is what? Is X. We don't know the amount of land he has, so the total amount of land that he has is what? Is X. So you add everything together. So he uses 1/3 of X, uses 3/8 of X and 1/6 of X. If you add everything together, 1/3 X plus 3x/8 plus x/6. If you add everything together, now the LCM of 3, 8, and 6 is what? 24. 24 divided by 3 is what? 8. 8 times x is what? 8x. 24 divided by 8 is what? 3. 3 times 3 is what? 9x. 24 divided by 6 is what? 4. 4 times x, 4x. So we have 8x plus 9x, that's what? 17x plus 4x, that's what? 21x/24. And it's the remainder. So the total land is what? X. So you come here and you do x minus 21x/24. LCM of 1 and 24 is what? 24. 24 divided by 1 is what? 1. 24 times x is what? 24x. 24 into 24 is what? 1 times 21x. So 24x minus 21x, that's 3x/24. I know you can take this to lowest term, 3 here, 1, and 3 here, 8. So we have 1x/8. So the fraction left is what? The 1 here. That's the coefficient. That's what? 1/8. So I'll give you time to copy this. So I'll explain again. A fruit grower grows bananas 1/3 of his land. And let's say the land is what? X. 1/3 of X. Pineapples again took 3/8 of X. Mangoes 1/6 of X. So now we want to get the remainder. If you want to get the remainder of something, you add everything together and minus it from the total. So that's what I did in this place here. So now we're going to multiplication and division. Multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication and division of fraction. So we'll start with multiplication. So multiplication or fraction. Multiplication or fraction can either be whole number times fraction, or fraction times fraction. For example now, we have 8 times 2 over 3. 8 times 2 over 3. How do we multiply this? 8 times 2, that's what? 16. This is like 1 here. 1 times 3, that's all. We have 2 over 3 times 15. You see that this can divide this. 3 here 1, 3 here 5. 2 times 5 is what? 10. See, we have 5 times 3 over 10. Just like I say, 5 times 3 over 10. And 5 here 1, 5 here 2. That's what? 3 over 2. Do you understand? So this is for whole number times fraction. This is for whole number times fraction. Whole number times fraction. Let me give another example. Let's say we have 5 over 6 times 8. So 2 here will be what? 3. And 2 here will be what? 4. 5 times 4 is what? 20 over 3. That's 20 over 3. You know you can't leave it like this. So here will be what? 6 whole number, 2 over 3. So do you understand this? So this whole number times fraction. Whole number here. Whole number times fraction. Then we are going to fraction times fraction. Fraction times fraction. Fraction times fraction. So if you want to multiply a fraction and a fraction, we have example, we have 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. That's what? 1 times 3 is what? 3. 2 times 4 is what? 8. It's not like addition that you have to find LCM. This one is just straight away. So we have 3 over 4 times 1 over 3. 3, 3. They are factors of each other. Cancel. So we have 1. 1 times 1 is what? 4 times 4. 4. That's 1 over 4. So now we have a mixed fraction and a proper fraction, like 3 over 5. So you first change this to improper fraction. So 4 times 1, 4, plus 1, 5. That's 5 over 4 times 3 over 5. 5 here, 5 here, 1. So we have what? 3 over 4. In multiplication, it's all about crossing out your digits, crossing out the numbers, crossing out the numbers. If we have 3 over 2 square, square is what? The square of the number. That's 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. So that's what? 3 times 3 is what? 9. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 9 over 2. So now let's go to division. Division. So that's all of multiplication. Multiplication is not that. Multiplication is actually one of the simplest operations. So division. Division. Now let me tell you something about division. If you are dividing x by y, let's say you are doing x divided by y. This y, one at the other side, it will so the division sign will change. It will be x. Then this, you know this y over 1. Yes. So here it will turn to 1 over y. Let's say we have 1 over 2 divided by 2 over 3. The division will change to what? Multiplication. And it will not change. So 3 will be up and 2 will be down. Do you understand? So 1 times 3 is what? 3. 2 times 2 is what? 4. This is the answer. So if you have um 2 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 3. So 4 times 2 is what? 8 plus 1, that's 9. So we have 9 over 4 divided by 3 over 1. If you see a whole number like this, it means it's 3 over 1. So you say 9 over 4 times 1 over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 3. 3 times 1 is what? 3 over 4. So that's 3 over 4. So that's all about division. So that's all about the basic operation of fraction. So I'll be giving assignments this time around. I will snap the assignment and post it on the YouTube channel for everybody to see, because this one, since since basic operation of fractions is simple, there will be much exercises on it. So I'll post it on the channel for everybody to see it. So that will be all for today. If you have any questions, tell me and I'll solve it in the next class. Put it in the comment section and I'll do it in the next class. And again, if you need any private tutor for your teacher, you can call me 0064 90 47 62 0064 90 47 62. So bye.